Assalamu alaikum. This is Byte for Swarajya TV. Thank you for coming here. First of all, we are in a deep sorrow and pain in solidarity with our brothers and sisters, mothers, and our uh, brothers in faith are being unmercifully killed, and their whole city has been devastated, and they are being bulldozed for the cause of standing up for their rights of their land. We in solidarity, in brotherhood, in sharing the pain with our Palestinian brothers for the humanitarian pain what we feel, that all humankind is one, ummatam wasat, of the concept of universal brotherhood. We stand in the pain of Palestine, and we request our government to stop aiding Israel, which is killing thousands and lakhs of the mutilations. The casualties are more than 1 lakh. So we request our government to have a merciful hand to their Palestinian brothers, and to keep our stand of two-state solution for this Palestinian issue, and to even request our Ministry of External Affairs to stand up in UN. In we as an Indian culture have always been with the victims. We are never with oppressors. So we are again demanding from this on the occasion of our Eid, that our government should hear to us, and fight for the cause, not basis on or any religion or any region, but for the sake of humanity, that we should stop this massacre of Palestinian brothers. And along with that, we also want to raise the issue of Waqf bill. Waqf property is of no one. It is the land donated. The Waqf means donated lands. We are not ready to accept any interference in our donated lands, the land donated by our fathers, forefathers, our aslaf. We are in no mood of compromise regarding our properties. You have used your iron hand of administration to lag our properties. How is it possible that the lands, the masajids, the idgahs, the khabrastans, the khankhas are the committees which operate this? How is that government is allowing the other religions to make a members in this committee? Do they allow the other temples, churches, and gurudwaras that Muslims can become a board member of those? No. The religion, the property which depicts the religion, the belief, those belief persons only should be in the committee, and should manage the properties. Government is of no right to interfere in this. Our properties are hundreds of years old. Your government, your authority, your survey, your revenue records are of not more than 30 years old. So you change the record, you interfere in the revenue records, and come and say that we are Waqf is a grabber. You are the grabbers. You see this Idgah, the revenue records of this Idgah is of more than 7 acres. But most of the part of this Idgah, more than 30% of this Idgah has been encroached. So we are silent. We are in a state of compromise. We are in a state of for universal brotherhood, for peace and for brotherhood. We are silent, and we are whatever is there, we are with that, content with that. Don't provoke this community. They are already in socio-economic troubles. Please take a good note that Waqf properties offer betterment of this poor people, poor Muslims. We are not a economic model of business or corporate. We request government not to interfere in this. Even take measures how to safeguard, how to utilize these Waqf properties for betterment of Muslims, but not to encourage